The 1956 Chevrolet Bel Air, priced at $22,000, has been restored approximately 7 years ago and is in excellent shape. This classic car has been stored indoors and rarely driven. It features a new interior, new brakes, and a refreshed paint job. The car retains manual steering and manual brakes. The master cylinder has been updated to a dual-cylinder system, replacing the original single-cylinder design. A complete album documenting the rebuild process from start to finish is included. The title is clean and in the seller's name. The 1953 Mercury Monterey is available for $27,500. This classic cruiser boasts a striking coral orange and white two-tone paint job with a custom black and orange interior. The restoration includes modern touches such as aftermarket gauges. The chrome and trim are complete, and the car has been garage kept. The car runs and drives great and is ready to turn heads wherever it goes. The 1939 Plymouth Deluxe is listed for $18,600 and features a pearl white exterior that shines beautifully under sunlight. This car offers a smooth ride powered by a well-maintained engine. The interior is spacious and comfortable. A detailed Carfax report is available. This Plymouth Deluxe combines timeless beauty with dependable functionality, offering a true step back in time. The 1938 Buick Special Series 40 is priced at $21,900. This black business coupe is equipped with the original 248 Dynaflash straight-8 engine, paired with a 3-speed manual floor-shift transmission. The odometer shows 5,303 miles, and the car runs on a 6-volt battery system. It rides on white-wall tires and is in very good condition overall, with paint and bodywork that present well. The car runs and drives great, offering a reliable and enjoyable experience. A clean title is included. The 1951 Chevrolet 3100, offered at $25,000, is a well-preserved classic pickup truck with a straight body, good paint, and no rust. It features the original 216 engine that starts easily and runs well, with a smooth shifting 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. The truck has been converted to a 12-volt system and includes new tires. It also comes with the original license plate from 1951. The vehicle has been stored in a climate-controlled garage and is described as a great option for cruising or showcasing. While the original owner stated that the mileage is accurate, the seller cannot confirm this. The title is clean and ready for transfer. The 1953 Ford F-100 is listed for $39,750. This custom truck is powered by a 462 big block V8 engine with an automatic transmission and has 25,000 miles. It features matte black paint with custom pinstriping, a Crown Vic front end, stretched rear fenders, and hidden stereo systems. Recent upgrades include Manistee ready-to-run ignition, a custom dual-side exhaust, a new intake manifold, and an electronic choke. The truck also boasts power steering and brakes, automatic door locks, and updated taillights and mirrors. It runs strong, drives well, and has a clean title. The 1956 Packard Patrician, priced at $15,000, is a two-owner sedan showing 89,071 miles. It features power seats, power windows, and a power antenna, all in working condition. The car is described as running great and has been garage kept. The title is clean, and the car is ready for its next chapter. The 1928 Ford Model A pickup is available for $15,900. This roadster pickup is described as clean and dependable, with great visual appeal. It runs, drives, and stops well, operating on a 6-volt system. While the top frame is included, the materials need replacement. This Model A offers a transferable Texas title and is in fully operational condition. Delivery options are available within Texas. The 1959 Ford Fairlane is listed for $10,000. This classic features a two-tone turquoise and white exterior with matching turquoise and black interior. It is equipped with a straight-six engine and automatic transmission. The car has newer tires, reupholstered bucket seats, clean carpets, and retains its original dash and steering wheel. Some surface rust is present, but the vehicle is solid overall and in daily driver condition. All trim and chrome are intact. The 1956 Plymouth Savoy is offered at $9,200. This classic sedan, inherited from the seller's father-in-law, is described as being in fair condition. It requires wheel seal repairs and has a transmission that leaks fluid. While the car can take fluids and drive short distances, it will need to be towed for long-distance transport. The vehicle is described as a sentimental piece that the family hopes will find a loving new owner. No trades are being accepted. The 1941 Buick Super, priced at $13,400, is a light blue project car with a solid body and straight panels. It features its original blue interior. which requires restoration, along with complete factory gauges and a steering wheel. All chrome trim is present, and the car is in running condition. The 1934 Ford Cabriolet is listed for $35,000 and features a Gibbon fiberglass body with a steel hood. Powered by a 302 Ford engine paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it includes a tilt wheel, stereo, and heating. The interior boasts new carpet and trunk upholstery. Side curtains, never used, come with the car. The paint is described as a nice 10-footer with some wear on the top. Running and driving dependably, this car is a great candidate for parades or shows and comes with a clean title. The 1935 Chevrolet Master is available for $23,000 and features a yellow taxi recreation with a checkerboard stripe and working door signs. It is powered by a 327 engine paired with a 350 turbo automatic transmission with rack and pinion steering and front disc brakes. The interior includes a custom brown vinyl design with a yellow dash and modern gauges, wooden running boards, aluminum wheels with BF Goodrich tires, and a street rod style build make it a unique vintage ride. The 1948 Ford Super Deluxe, priced at $23,000, is powered by a 350 SBC V8 engine with a TH350 automatic transmission and 355 rear gearing. The car features power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, and a powered trunk. The black exterior is in 8 out of 10 condition with minor blemishes, while the interior is in excellent shape, free of damage or odors, with all components functional except the speedometer. The 1920 Dodge Brothers Series 20 Touring is listed for $13,900. It is in excellent condition with a black exterior, wood spoke wheels with white ball tires, and a wood steering wheel. The interior retains its original running boards and complete gauges. The manual transmission and 212 inline 4-cylinder engine are in working order. A tear in the top is noted, but the car is stored indoors and ready for shows or touring. The 1939 Chevrolet Master Deluxe is priced at $34,500. Powered by a GM Crate 350 engine with a 700R4 automatic transmission, it features chassis engineering suspension components, Mustang II steering, power steering, and brakes, along with vintage air conditioning and heat. The interior is in pristine condition. The car comes with 2 sets of wheels. The 1948 Plymouth Special Deluxe, available for $11,900, is a running and driving hot rod project. It features a 6th-generation 454 engine with a 700 R4 transmission, Ford Pose-A-Track rear with 373 gears, power steering, and brakes. The top is chopped 3 inches for a custom look. The gauges are fully functional, and while the transmission slips in high gear, it performs well in other gears. This car has been shown and always attracts attention but requires additional work to complete. The 1930 Ford Model A is listed for $36,900. This solid steel body hot rod is powered by a 350 Chevrolet small block engine with an automatic transmission. It includes rack and pinion steering, disc brakes, and cold air conditioning. The leather interior is flawless, and the car runs and drives exceptionally well, ready for cruising or shows. The 1925 Chevrolet Superior K, priced at $11,700, is a recently restored 4-door sedan in navy blue with a striped gray fabric interior. It retains its original 4-cylinder engine and working gauges. The only non-original component is an electric fuel pump, replacing the vacuum fuel pump. It features new whitewall tires and is garage-kept, making it an excellent representation of its era. The 1932 Ford Roadster is listed for $40,000. This hot rod features a steel body on a TCI roller frame, a 351 Windsor engine with Edelbrock intake and Fitech EFI, and Sanderson headers. It has an AOD transmission, a 9-inch rear end, and disc brakes with a Buick drum cover kit. Additional features include odometer gauges, a tilt column, a low car shifter, and American racing wheels.